Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use screen lock on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below. Scroll down and click on privacy. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find the screen lock feature, tap on it, and then click on this button next to it, enabling requiring a touch ID. You will need to use your fingerprints in order to unlock the application. You can still reply to messages from notifications and answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. If you want to disable it, just tap on the same button again. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.